Hi friends, this video is for English learning. Come on. So now we are seeing that a stove is burning and in that there is a pan and it's closed with the lid. Now I am going to open the lid. The lid is being opened. Now I am cooking cake in a pan. So you can see the cake. It is a wheat cake. I have sprayed some nuts over it. Now let me see that the cake is cooked well. Insert a spoon and see. If the spoon came out clear, the cake is cooked well. I have transferred the cake in a plate. Now I am cutting the cake with a turner. தோசை பரட்டிக்கு ஒரு டர்னர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். So now I am cutting the cake with a turner. So the cake is ready and it is soft. You can see the vapor. You can see the steam coming out of the cake.